Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a 2017 Honda HRV. We're going to be showing you how to remove your rear door panels. The tools you'll be needing are your standard screwdriver, a pick hook, 2 flatheads, and a clip remover. In order to remove this one here, you're going to want to insert your hook onto the small opening and pull towards you. For the next one, you'll be needing a small flathead. To remove the panels, you're going to want to give it a tug to remove the clips. Then hold it up. Now that you've removed your panel, you're going to want to remove these 2 connections here. For this one, just give it a slight tug towards the door. Then you're going to want to remove your power window here. Press on the tab and pull. If a clip does fall off, all you have to do is slide it back into the opening. Alright guys, that completes our tutorial for today. If you have any questions on the specific 2017 Honda HRV, be sure to leave it in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.